What's good, Tinania family? It's Brennan and I, day off today. It's afternoon and I'm just cooking breakfast. Gonna make some omelets and just chill out today. I've been watching YouTube all morning. Did a bit of work. Just enjoying the day. It's a beautiful day outside. We'll show you what the weather's like out there. Hope you guys are having a lit day, relaxed and chilled out. Hey, I did a jacket DIY yesterday. Go have a look at that video. Bit of a makeover on any clothes that you have. Alright guys? Alright man, enjoy watching me cook breakfast. Beautiful day today guys, day off today, look at it. Dun, dun, dun. Here the sun is out and shining. Alright, so I'll use that as my backdrop. Alright, we just want to do some shout outs to our Brisbane Polytubers and some suggestions if you're looking for some channels to go and subscribe to these channels. These are a few Brisbane Polytubers that we follow. So first shout out to our girls Kat and Aisha. What's up girls? Go and subscribe to them guys. They got some awesome weekly vlogs that they do, and go check them out, show them some love. Our second shout out is to Venga Vlogs. What's up Uso? He's in Brisbane. He's got some awesome content as well, so go subscribe to him as well guys. Our girl Ellen, what's up sis? Now she does a lot of stuff for vlogging for her church and her daily vlogs, so go have a look at her and subscribe and like. Don't forget to press the notification button for her channel. Last but not least, for our Brisbane recommendation is Thor's channel. Go and subscribe to her guys. She's cool, she got awesome content, been doing it for a while. Share some love to them, share some love to all our Brisbane crew over there. Alright guys, see you later. Man, we are absolutely full from that omelette. That was brunch. That was absolutely gorgeous. Yeah babe?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. You enjoy it?
Loved it, thanks.
Alright guys, so gotta keep watching because dun, 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 it's our giveaway today. We want to thank everyone that went onto that video and also submitted hashtag Tinania family. That's all you had to do. All you had to do to get the free stuff. Who wants some free stuff out there? So keep watching. Look at this day guys, it's lit. Beautiful day. Let us know what you thought of our denim jacket inspired DIY that got posted this morning. Go check that out. Just a few tips on to make your clothing a bit more lit. Yeah guys? Alright, have a good day. Thank you very much for subscribing. Don't forget to press the notification button. Where is it? I think, oh it's over here. And like. Alright guys, cheers! So Tuesdays, Brenda and I are off. So today, did a bit of weights this morning. Why? Oh, that's the alarm. What's the alarm for? Pick up the girls from school. Anyway, did the gym this morning. Why? Because we're off to Bali. Brenda's taking me to Bali for my birthday. Aren't I lucky? Yeah, Bali for my birthday. Thinking of getting another tattoo, but on Tuesdays we like to have a nanny nap. So see you later. Go for a nap. Sapphire and Darwin just got back from school and they had a little nap, and their mum's telling me to wake them up. But I don't know if you've seen that I silenced them before, took their phones away from them, so now she's gonna wake up. Sapphire, got your phone back? Fire. Got your phone back.
Thank you, Dad!
Yay. That woke her up. I'm the father of the year. Alright guys, don't forget. Tonight is the night. Keep watching till the end. Diamond's getting ready for
The giveaway!
Yep, so she's cutting up all her papers. Gonna put all your names in there. So we'll see who's winning. This light is really bad. Or is it my hat? I think it's the hat. It's the pink hat. Anyway, yeah, she's cutting up, getting ready for the giveaway. We've all had a little nap. You see, face is a bit swollen. Gotta put the contacts in, get changed. Alright guys, talk to you guys soon. Don't forget, watch it all the way to the end. Wailua, far. ANZ, hi Fiona.
Yeah, the big people.
Some weird people, the girls just got their phone back. The Diamond just got her phone back and Sapphire. Oh, weird, randoms are texting them. So, story behind it. Story behind why they just got their phones is because they don't do their jobs. All they need to do is wash the dishes and do the laundry, put the washing away, put their undies away, you know? That's all they gotta do. Then they can be on their phones from 6 o'clock to 8 before they go to bed every single day. That's the deal. Yeah. Well, no deal. Well, no deal for 4 days, no 3 days since Sunday. So they just got their phones back, and it's been good though because they're talking a bit more to us, you know? But what can you do? That's part of life, isn't it? Alright guys, it's Monday. No, it's Tuesday. Tuesday today. Brenda and I all have had an awesome day off. We've got a new sort of DIY that I want to do is I want to go to the Good Sammy's. That's what they call it, Good Sammy's, but we call it you know, Salvation Army shop or the second-hand stores. So I'm going to go there and find a piece of furniture and make it over. So we can show you guys. You can get something for under $20 and spruce it up for 30. So I've got a budget of about 30 bucks. That's, you know, includes spray paint, any textures or anything that I want to put on it. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I might want to do a table, or I might want to do a chair or something like that. But I'm a bit arty-farty. You know, us Islanders don't only play sport and sing music. Right, girls from Brisbane. Kat and Aisha. Be watching their vlogs today, Kat and Aisha. Go subscribe to them. This is their link. Can't get it properly. There it is. This is their link there. They're Brisbane Polytubers. They're awesome. They're just crack ups. They're real. And we were talking about history today. I love history and they love history. And they had a day trip. I think it was on Sunday. And they went to like a museum sort of thing, which was pretty cool, girls. That's pretty awesome. And she said there was this lady that in her 30s and was just staring at them when they entered. But then they noticed that this Palangi was still staring at them, like, Maka keke me. So still staring at both of the sisters, and Aisha walked out and he told Kat in the car, and Kat was like, you should have told me in the car. Damn, I should have told her in the car. And then Aisha was like, relax, man. Just want to keep the peace, man. Calm down. But then I replied and I'm like, mate, that, you know, it's uneducated. I was also saying that, you know, uneducated, they think Polynesian Islanders are only good at sports and singing. Mate, who do you think we are? We are talented. We have heaps of talent. But anyway, go watch that vlog. It's a crack up. Absolutely funny. But yeah, they do weekly vlogs. Enjoying what all the Polytubers are doing. There's also a guy by the name of Big T. I'll link his YouTube channel here. He subscribed to us last night, and I was just looking at his few videos that he put up last night. Brother, all the best with your YouTube channel. And he was just looking for a platform to showcase what he does, music, mukbangs, and joining the Polytube community. Yeah, so Polytube is going off. Well, Polytubers are coming from all over the world. Good on you guys. I know there's Polytubers that have been around for a long time than us. We've only been doing it now for almost 3 months. And you know, we've just really enjoyed it, showing our talent, like the DIYs, the Bali trips, music, car vlogs, also, what else do we put up? Did I say Bali? What else did we put up? My girls' talents. Also, how can I forget? Hairdressing! Yeah, our salon. So, don't forget, anybody out there that's wanting to pick up the camera, Sunga Sole, pick up the camera! Cheeeehoooo! So before we do the giveaway, our family always watches this.
You and Justin. What was that before?
Closer each day, home in the way. Yeah, I don't watch it as much as the girls do, but Miss B is being right into it. It's like Days of Our Lives. Alright guys, let us know. Comment down below what you watch on Netflix, during the day, or what's your favorite program? Let us know. Our family one is Home and Away. Alright, just gonna grab some dinner while everyone's watching Home and Away and get ready for the giveaway. Guess what's for dinner, guys? I know that's not the original sanitarium Weet-Bix, but dinner is Weet-Bix. It's always nice every now and then just to not have something heavy. As you've seen before, we had an omelette, so we're just having cereal. But look at our cupboard. The cupboard is a mess. It's just full of food, but we don't want to cook today. Nan's at Tiva's house. Hi to Tiva and your mum. Her Tiva's mother-in-law's here from Brizzy, and mum's chilling out with her. But maybe that's also we haven't not having proper dinner. It's because Nanny's not here to cook. So we're cooking our own Weet-Bix. Comment down below. Lalu ay ayam male fa liinga le Weet-Bix ya fa. Let's check up on Sapphire. Hi Poppy. Girl, look at the mess you've made here in the lounge room, man. Move your leg. So, how is it to get your phone back, girl?
Glorious.
Glorious? Wow. How long haven't had your phone for?
2 days and 1 night.
So how was it without your phone?
It's still fine because we still watch lots of TV. So, yeah.
Alright, mate. These girls, mate. I just want to let you know about the prizes that we're giving away. It's over $350. Yeah! We've got two $50 vouchers for Perth subscribers. Then we've got an eyebrow palette at $75. Then we've got a contour palette for the girls to contour their issues at $75. And then we've got our products that is worth $105. Now, the eyebrow palette and also the contour palette, the products can be shipped anywhere around the world. So don't forget, Perth, you can also enter in those as well. But you had to have had hashtag Tinania family. So Diamond, as you can see, look at all those winners. Gotta be in it to win it. So
Dad, but I commented too. I want the eyebrow cut palette.
dun dun dun. She commented too, she said. But you can't be in it, girl.
Why?
Because you're in the bloody Tinania family already. That was awkward. That was really awkward, guys. Moip said to me that she commented as well, and you know what she did? She commented Tinania, hashtag Tinania family. But the problem is, she's in our family, so we're the ones doing the draw. Soso, man. The soso, kengela. Let's go check out what Bees is doing outside. Hi, Bees.
Hi, I'm just looking for some accommodation.
Yay. What are you doing? Wait.
Looking for some accommodation. How
Can
are
see
you?
you?
Yeah, a little bit.
That
Hi
way?
everyone. No.
So B's on booking.com, looking for our ACOM, because we're going to the bush. No, we're staying further out in Sanua. So if you want somewhere a bit quiet in Bali, guys, go out to Sanua. Whoa. Looks like we're in Bali already. Go out to Sanua. Sanua is absolutely a tranquil and quiet place that you can check out, guys. We've got a lot of friends out there. So Brenda's taking me for my birthday. Yay! Feel like a teenager again.